to another vlog. And so today we are at the Ferry Terminal and we are waiting for the 10:20 trip, and this is the long line. So while you're here watching this video, don't forget to subscribe right up here, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Rachel and Ryan YT. So today it's already so early, so we have decided that we are going to eat at Top Pot Donuts and maybe get a donut or two. And there are also other eating places like Spud Fish and Chips right there, and over there and like a Thai restaurant too if you're here later for lunch or something like that.
You can go here while you're waiting, because we're waiting for an hour, so if you want to go anywhere or eat anywhere, then you can go here.
Okay, so also today we are heading up to the Olympic National Park, and we're going to Hurricane Ridge, and we're going to have a picnic up there, take pictures, and maybe hike. So we'll just show you what we're going to do there. Okay, so we're just gonna show you what we're going to do today. Okay.
Alrighty, we made it back to the car, and we're just gonna enjoy the goods and wait till the ferry. After a couple minutes or so, we are leaving. Not really, it was more like 45 minutes, and here we go. Let's go. Alrighty, so we made it to the ferry. We're moving right now, and we're just gonna go inside the ferry and explore a little bit, even though I've been here before. And yeah, so we're just gonna show you what we're gonna see. Yes, go. Look at all those stickers and the birds.
Life jackets may be found underneath bench seats in the passenger cabin, in lockers
Here's
on
the
the
main
sun
room.
deck, and in drop bins at the base.
Wow, it seems like we're moving so fast, and it's really windy. Lol, we just saw a whale, but we couldn't film it because it was quick, and there's a whale watching group right there. That was pretty cool, if you can hear me. Alrighty, so we're nearing the port, and we showed you a couple of clips of the inside of the ferry, and that is what we're gonna take. And yeah, so right now we're gonna go to the dock, and we'll show you the ride to Hurricane Ridge. Alright, so we made it to Olympic National Park's Hurricane Ridge. There's a better view behind me. Ta-da! Hello. See right there? And We're gonna show you more, but first we're gonna eat some nice lunch we brought. So I hope you enjoy our 15-minute ride from the bottom. We showed you a lot of montage clips because it was really nice, and it only took us 15 minutes to get up here. There's Ate, and this is our view of Hurricane Ridge. Over there is the visitor center, and that's where we're gonna be heading next. Here by the visitor center there is free parking, and there's a decent amount. And the entrance here is just your basic national park fee entrance. And yeah, here it is, visitor center. Right in this area there were forest fires. That's why there's sprinkles down there, if you can see that. But yeah, these are the scars, and pretty nice. Got a cafe, couple of shirts. So that was basically just a normal gift shop with Hurricane Ridge merchandise and a small little snack bar.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna tell you about what I think about Hurricane Ridge, and I think it's cool. I think it's really pretty, and there's some ice still and snow, and so it's really pretty, and I recommend coming here.
So we're just gonna walk a little bit in the Hurricane Hill Trail and try to get some nice photos, maybe see some deer. So if you can see closely, there's the deer. That one's a pretty large deer. We already saw 3 other deers, but that one's the biggest. And now you can't see it, sorry. Alrighty, so we're starting our journey. Look at all these forest fires. This place is much nicer than the one we took in the last place. And if you haven't watched that video, make ssure you do. We went to Snoqualmie Falls. We made it to the Outlook, which is right here as you can see. And
If you look over there,
all the way over there,
over there,
the camera probably can't see it.
That is Canada.
Yeah, you can see the mountain ridge right there slightly. It's completely white, and there's a B right there.
Yeah.
And that's Canada right there.
And
So,
we're on the Circuit Rim Trail.
yeah, just a short 0.75 mile.
Mhm.
Wow, very, very nice. So we are going to like a shorter, more bumpy trail right now, just the 2 of us. And we're gonna see if we can take some nice photos. There are a lot of bees here, that's the #1 thing. We still haven't found anything really up close yet. We've seen plenty of deer. But, you know, that's pretty nice. Alrighty, so we're heading back right now. We got some sort of types of photos. Let me show you right here, right now. And, yeah, so those are just some of the photos. We didn't go too far out, and we're gonna go back now. Alrighty, we're off to another location. Just keep walking, and we'll find our way. Wow, this is beautiful. And we're basically back.
You can see that? That is a deer. Oh my god. Look at that. It's a deer. And we're about to go home now. But that's so cool. Okay, bye.
We are leaving the beautiful Hurricane Ridge. And yeah, we had a nice time here. Like 2 hours we spent, and it was pretty exciting. We took some great photos-ish. And yeah, so see you later. We're gonna head back to the ferry right now.
This deer, it has a whole, family.
Look at the other side. We're just in the... Look how baby that one is.
Yeah.
Wow. Alrighty, so after the sun going down and It being an hour and 30-minute drive away, we have finally made it back to the port and are loading into the ferry. Alrighty, so we are saying goodbye to Kingston. It's right behind us. See you later. And we're also saying goodbye to you guys. Bye-bye. So we hope you enjoyed this vlog of us visiting Hurricane Ridge at the Olympic National Park. And what were your thoughts?
Pretty fire.
Pretty good. We got some nice photos. It was a pretty nice view. It was very scenic as well. And the mountains were pretty nice. So, you know, but nothing too special. And yeah, so we enjoyed, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. It's gonna be right here. It looks like that, but it's down below if you are new. And make sure to leave a big thumbs up, like this video, and share it, please. And also make sure to follow us on Instagram at Rachel and Ryan YT, because we post some good content there, hopefully. So that's it for this vlog. Hope you enjoy. Stay tuned for next week's vlog, which is probably another banger. So see you later.